Good morning, children. Welcome back to the SST class. In last Friday, I taught you the second chapter, and that was incompleted. And I taught you changes in neighborhood and school. In last Friday, I taught you about changes in neighborhood and school. And we discussed the topic of changes in neighborhood. What are the topic? We see first one, changes in life of people. Second, changes in the food habit of people. Then changes in the work pattern of people. Changes in the clothes of people, changes in the houses of the people, and changes in the tradition of the people. So these are the changes we could see. Today I will teach you changes in the school and classroom. Why changes in the school and classroom have a overlook? Okay. Now students are requested, those who have SST book, you open with me page number 14. Students, those who have SST book, you open with me page number 14. Changes in the school and classroom. Now I will read this one, and those who have books, put your finger over the word and read with me. Children, please put your finger over the word, line by line, word by word, and read with me. Okay. With the passage of time, school have also changed a lot. The number of students in the schools have increased. New buildings have been made which have new classrooms. Old teachers and other staff have retired and new ones have come in their place for better teaching. Smart class has been installed in the classrooms. Computer labs have been built which make the little children learn how to operate a computer. Okay. Now students, we can see the changes in the life of the school and classroom. So what are the changes? If you have heard, in the olden days, students are asked to sit under the tree. While teacher taught them, the children are asked to sit under the tree. And that was the climate, and that was the natural climate while the students enjoyed their study life. There were no blackboard, no chalk, no classroom, nothing. But how could they get the knowledge? Now time has changed. Now students are called inside the classroom. The government has took several steps to the education. How to give the education to the students? If you visit or if you enter the school, then you can see the school building, new classroom, everything you can see. Now, in these days, students are allowed to sit on the desk and bench, but at that time, the students sit on the ground, on the floor, and it is the changes you can see. In olden days, students only see one or two gurus, but in this time, you can see different type of teachers. You can see the different type of teachers with their different type of subject. If you see maths teacher, then you could learn more about maths. If you see the science teacher, or if you contact the science teacher, then you can learn more about science. If you see English teacher, then you could improve your English. So these are the things then you can see in the school. Now the students are asked to come with their school uniform, because the school uniform show about the uniqueness. The school uniform show you that you all are equal. The students from the different categories, different class, different color, while they enter to the school, they remain same. They all are equal. There is no difference among the children or students. Okay. Then the new teachers has been appointed, and the old one got retired. So this is the things, when old one will get retired, then you can see the new teachers, new young teachers, young generation. The teachers who can see the young one, they have the different idea, different thought, new idea, new thoughts, everything they kept and they brought to the school. They want to give their knowledge to the children through their study. And the children, you are maintaining your books, copies, everything. Whatever the teacher will teach you, you're supposed to note down in the book or in your rough copy, or if you're in your notebook. And when the exam will come, then you are able to give the answer. The whatever you have kept in the book, in the copy, if you do the revision, or if you are learning that one, then you could write the answer very easily. Then next, there is the smart class. Students, while in the school, that is the not main thing that you do only learn and write. No, there is a one more education at the end, that is called co-curricular activity. The co-curricular activity, students will be involved in sports, games, watering the plant, gardening, work. These all are included, and these are the include to the study. Now the smart class. The smart class now you can see everywhere. In each classes, there you can see the different classroom and different smart class. Suppose the topic is that independence of India. If you learn independence of India, then you can see the picture of independence of India on the screen. Sometimes you can see the video clip, how India got independence, who were the leader, who is Mahatma Gandhi, who is Jawaharlal Nehru. Everything you can see on the screen, and it will remain forever. That means the education has improved a lot through the science and through the smart class. Now the computer. The computer is the so advanced technology which help the children to learn more things, and it brought a new idea to the life of education. And everything you can see on the screen of computer. Whatever you want, if you put the search, then it will seen on the computer screen. Okay. Now next, reasons for changes. Changes in neighborhood, school, and in different aspect of life occur mainly because of the exposure to the electronic media, and these things only happen just because of electronic media. The globalization and the development of the science and technology, the people's desire to do something different also lead to the change. The development of science and technology has changed. If you remember, if you ask your father or your parents, they supposed to cover the distance by cycle. In their time, they supposed to cover the distance by cycle or by walk. But in your time, you can cover the distance by vehicle, car, bus, everything. So these are the changes you can see. If you want a mobile or any type of electronic things, then by one click, one phone, you can get it by soon, or by you can give the order by email, or you can give the order by the shopping app. So these are the changes you can see. The mobile has brought a big change in our life. By a phone call, we can get the contact with our friends, with our relatives. By a phone call, we are getting everything, the food, nasta, whatever, breakfast. By a phone call, you are getting information about the sports, about the climate, about our atmosphere, about our neighborhood, everything by a phone call. Now, if you see, now if you watch the TV, then you can see the various type of sports or game. Everything, the news, everything you can see on the TV screen. So these are the changes you can see. Yes, you can see in our life. Then next, making new friends. Children make their own friend according to their taste, according to their demand, according to their temperament. How? If you come to the school environment, it become very new thing for you. But when you adjust with the climate of the school, then it will become very easy, and you will get your friend very soon. How? Suppose you are a football player, and if you are a football player, then your basic needs and your basic interest goes toward the football player. That means the football player can make his friend to the who played football. Like that. If you are a painter, then you will make the friend who like to paint. The next, adapting to change. It is said the world will not follow you, you have to follow the world. It means that you have to move along with time by changing yourself. You have to adjust with the changing condition so as to live a good life. See how it is similar to our life. Students, if you are coming to school, before coming to school, everything will get ready. You take bath, you finish your work, then pack your tiffins, pack your school bag, then move toward the school. Then after, when you reach the school, then you are adjust with the school climate. You are listening to the teachers, you note down the notes in your note copy. Then after getting back to the home, then you are busy with your homework. Then after homework, then you are getting your dinner. Then after finishing your dinner, then you are get back to the bed. So this is the things then you can change throughout our life, from the morning to evening and night. Everything it is changed, and it could change by the time. The time will not wait for us. We have to adjust with the time. That's why it is written, the world will not follow you. You have to follow the world. Okay, students, I think this much is enough for you. If you want more, then you read this one thoroughly, one by one word, one by word, one line. Okay, and listen these things very carefully. The students, it is enough for you. The next day we will discuss the exercise. May God bless you. Thank you.